All right, let's go ahead and customize the envelope liner mock-up for my latest collection. So in the folders, you have a liner here. In that you have the print effects, and then you have the liner color right here. And there is a little pattern overlay, so you can keep that, remove it, you do as you wish. To change the color, you just double click on that little box there, and you can see how you can change up that color. For the envelope, here, we'll just put that in there for now so you can see the kind of print effect. For the envelope, you have the artwork folder. So again, all the different print styles are there. And then the envelope color. So you have two options. So if you were to remove the liner color here, you can either do the outer envelope, so it's just like legitimately the envelope there, change the color like so, or you can do the whole thing. So it'll do the liner and everything, as you can tell. So what we are gonna do, let's go ahead and add in the artwork. So I'm just gonna change it up and show you how I change up those effects and everything like that. So I'm gonna grab my design. I'm gonna do it on the envelope first. Let's do a color foil. So I'm gonna double click the smart object. I'm gonna grab the window that it opened up in, drag it over here. The cool part with these print effects is that the debossed look and the color foil is you can change the color overlay. So for foils, you want to keep it still very light color so you can see kind of brightens it, pink hue, like that. I do have a stroke set, so if you were to zoom in, you'll see kind of it can add a little stroke effect to it to thicken it, especially if you have a thinner design. And I'm just going to do a pale blue for now. Let's go back to the liner. I'm gonna do the debossed look for it, so I'm just gonna double click, open it up. I'm gonna grab my artwork. So now I'm gonna change the color to like blue. And then just if the foil or the envelope matches, I'm gonna go down here and change the outer envelope color to match. And there you go.